So first of all, go back up to the top. Dentists hate it. And you're going to put a number 23. And also on this side, right now, put your name. Right now, put your name. And if you know your number, put your number. And then we're going to flip it back over. And we're going to do these 6. We're going to start those right here. I'm going to start the 17. I'm going to do as many as I can here. And if we don't have room, we can flip it over and do it on the bottom. So when we're writing 17, and if I put on 17, I'm going to put it real tiny. If I put 6, 3, 4, 8, where am I going to put that 9? Under which digit? Who knows where I'm going to put this 9? And I'm writing it right below here. Nobody else knows where we're going to put the 9 except, yes, ma'am.
At the ones.
Wow, very good. At the ones place, in fact, right under the 8. So I'm going to do it back. Since that's 4 digits, that's 3. Sir, do you have the worksheet? Okay, so let's just get started. I'm going to put it backwards. I'm going to put my 9. Oh, this pen doesn't work. I'm going to put my 9, 7. Everybody should be writing. And 8. And that helps me align it. Everything when you write it has to be aligned to the right. And now I'm going to put this line. Okay, and then we're going to add it. So does everybody have that down? Tell me who's still writing. Okay, and then we're going to add these. So I'm going to go 8 plus 8. What's 8 plus 8?
16.
Plus 1 more? 17. And then I'm going to carry a little tiny 1. And then I see a 10. Isn't 7 plus 3 10?
Yes.
That's really how much more than 3? How much more than 3? 4. So it's 7 and 3 is 10, plus 1 more is 11, plus 1 more is 12. So go ahead and put your 12 and carry that. I'm going to try to make this real big so everybody can see it. Then, now I see another 10. I'm going to go 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 1 more is 11, plus 1 more is 12. Then I'm going to put a little dash like that. And then 6 plus 1 is what? 7. Okay. Now, I'll talk about the mix-up answers in just a second. Let's see if we can squeeze in here. Go ahead and write that. We're going to do the number 18. We're going to try to get these out of the way. So now, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put this bigger one on top. Yes, sir.
I got a question for the other one.
Yes.
You put the number 8 and it's 6.
Well, you are right. And come here, my friend. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Catching my mistake. There you go. He just caught my mistake. This should be a, because, well, never mind. That should be a 6. He's right. 4, 6, and I put 4, 8. So if that's a 6, we have to take 2 away. It would make that a what? A 5. Okay, that's okay. We fixed it. Then go over to the number 18, and I'm going to put this one on top. So on 18, I'm going to put 2, 5, 7, 9, 8. And then where am I going to start the 7? Teddy, where? Under which digit? In the 1 space, but basically under the 8. So I'm going to go backwards. 7, 0, 6, 4. 7, 0, 6, 4. And then are we ready?
Yes. No. Yes. Ready.
Okay, so now let's go. 7 plus 7 is?
12.
Plus one more, 15. Carry, oh, this is a beautiful number right here, 10. And in fact, I'm going to put that 1, I'm going to put it right here, because that makes a 7 and a 7. 14. And then I'm going to take that little dash, I can put it at the top, but I put it here because that makes a 5 and a 5. And that is 3. And then I think we're going to do one more. Oh yeah, I have to do this one with you. So this number 19. Now, here's the thing. On this worksheet today, we have decimals. We haven't worked with decimals. So make sure you're paying attention. Is it Emiliano? Okay. So we're going to write this number, the 338.75. That's like $338.75. So go ahead and put, you don't need to put the dollar sign, 338.75. We haven't done decimals, but I'm going to tell you. Yes, sir. No, I don't need a comma. Okay, this is like we really don't need it right now. We can if you want, you can add that on. All right, then we're going to add, now with decimals, you line up the decimal. So it's a straight, I just put it right here, right under the other one. And then I put my 2960. So the 2 goes here, the 9 goes there, and on the other side is the 60. So this is as if I had $338.75, and I'm adding on $29.60. Let's see how much we have. And you add just the same. So I'm just going to bring this decimal down. That just separates the whole dollars from the pennies. So what is 5 plus 0? 5. What's 6 plus 6 plus one more? 13. Good job. And I'm going to carry over that one so you can see real clearly. Well, but also when I carried over, isn't that it's a 10, and 8 more is what? 18. And I'll go ahead and carry here. But that's 2 and 1 is 3, and another 3 is what? What's the total of this column? It is going to be 6 and then 3. So the decimals are no big deal. You just line them up, add like normal, and I've got a total of $368.35 now. Now, I think what I'll do in the interest of time, and I don't think I'm going to have enough room for the rest of them, so later on, you can do the 20, 21, 22. You can bring them over here on this side. You see the nice lines? So you can bring over 20, 21, and 22. And you can do them there. I'm going to let you do those independently. Now, here's the nice thing about what you're going to be doing. Is I need a pencil. Is those answers that we just got, 7225. You're going to look for it. These are your mixed up answers. You're going to look for 7225. Look for a 7 at the beginning. Oh, it's right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to shade it in. Not real dark. I still should be able to see the number. Okay, you shade it in. That tells you got it right. Had I left it 7227, I would have seen I had the wrong answer. Yes, sir. Do you do what? You're going to do those on your own. 20, 21, 22. Okay. Then let's look for the next answer. 30405. So I'm going to look for something 30 in the beginning. So I'm going to look for a 30. 30. Oh, is this it? Okay. And you shade it in with your pencil. I need a pencil. I need to get a pencil for myself. So I can shade it in a little bit better. Okay. And again, make it so I can still see the answer. And then we've got one more, $368.35. 368. You guys are so good because I can't. Oh, is this it?
Yeah.
Okay. And we're going to shade all of that.
I'm not even done.
You're not done with what? Okay. All right. It's when we're all done, it's going to spell something out. Yes, ma'am. You'll find out when we're all done. You'll find out. So I'm not going to tell you what the answer is. So I want to stop because all of these up here, do you think you have enough room to do them right there?
Yeah.
So I set it up, I made it bigger, so hopefully you don't have to rewrite it. In fact, we'll do another decimal one, the 15. So again, 20, 21, 22, you're going to do when you get a chance on the front here, 20, 21, 22. But let's do one more decimal one. Let's do the 15. What is 5 and 4? 9. I don't know what 5 and 8 is, but I know what 5 and 5 is. And then there's 3 more here than 5. 13. And I'm going to bring the decimal down. It's a 10. It is a 10. And one more, it makes it what?
11.
11. And carry, again, make sure your carry signs are very tiny. And that is going to be 8, 6, 7, 8, and 9. $981.39. So let's make sure you got it right. Let's find it on the other side. Is it right here? Is this it?
Yes.
And shade it in. So we want to get 100%. So if you don't find one, you raise your hand and you call me over and I'll help you do it. So girls and boys, to maximize our time, I would suggest you do 1 through 16.
Which is the back one?
Okay, hold on. Okay. So you're going to do all of 1 through 16. You're going to do it on your own. And then at home, do 20, 21, 22. Okay? Does anybody have a question? Yes, ma'am. You will have some blank spaces left over. So don't worry about it. It's going to be 2 letters that will be spelt out. Yes, sir.
Which is like the one that we like did, and I'm even like the second. Yeah, which are the ones?
Okay, what are you talking about? These 3?
No, like the ones that.
The ones that you're going to do on the other side is 20, because we have no more room. 21 and 22. Don't try to squeeze any more in. You've got plenty of space right here to do 20, 21, 22.
Today's my birthday.
Okay, sir, start on it right now then. Okay? So girls and boys, I want you to start working them right here. If you don't find an answer, please let me know and I'll come over to you. Alrighty?